Singularity has changed my life.
Over the past 10 years, we've been on a mission.
We are here 10 years after the first Singularity Summit here in South Africa. We're actually seeing the Singularity happening right here, right before us.
I'm very excited about exploring what new technology is out there across different industries, different verticals.
I mean, Singularity is, of course, the pinnacle of innovation across the globe.
We're living in a moment unlike any other in history. Right now, we stand at the intersection of multiple exponential curves.
To build a community of changemakers who are using exponential technologies to solve some of humanity's grandest challenges.
It's truly the most extraordinary time ever to be alive, right? This is a time where we have the ability to make our grandest dreams come true, where a single individual can uplift and touch the lives of 1 billion people. The tools exist to do that.
Today, I want to talk about disrupting a nation.
We stand at a pivotal moment for Africa. This continent is not just adopting technology, it's creating its own digital path forward with ingenuity and ambition.
Some of you have to stand up and show up and create the group and let the group grow so the change can happen.
The world is constantly changing, and if you're not disrupting, you're being disrupted.
In this future that we're heading into, I remain very positively optimistic about the use of technology to maybe help us be more human.
And to really move from disconnection to connection.
And what resonated with me was the infinite possibilities.
I want to be ready to say, how do I then use AI to do my job better?
It really requires a level of courage, ingenuity, as well as a great deal of humanity. And I was so glad that the speakers before me were anchoring very much on the role of human beings, on the role of leaders, on the role of humanity in this world that is becoming increasingly complex.
It's a real opportunity to link the ecosystems through co-innovation, to the exchange of ideas, the exchange of IP, and the exchange of talent.
Run into the future organization without any hesitation and try any kind of technology to bring the people to the future.
And how do we actually get on board this train? Because, it's coming real fast. How do we individually prepare for that? And I can't wait to share that with the rest of Africa.
You are seeing the future. You are seeing and meeting people that have actually done it.
Forget chasing tails, these little friends are chasing Wi-Fi networks. They're being used in the security industry, in logistics, in manufacturing. As you can imagine, there are endless opportunities.
We want to be part of the new wave. We want to be at the forefront. We want to make sure that access is key, not only to those who are privileged enough to have access, but to the rest of the country and the rest of the continent as well, so that all of us can be participating in this change.
One day, when I am gone, my children will touch a button and I will answer.
Yes, what an incredible start to day 2. How are we feeling?
These are the minds, the people in this room are the people that make things happen.
The growth of South Africa really depends on our innovations and inventions.
One thing that I think is really powerful about South Africa, but also Africa in general, is that you have the power of so many communities.
We're built to be creative, and that's how our intelligence evolves over time.
Sleep is a window into your health.
This is a story of how a simple dance app evolved into a powerful tool for healthcare and then leaped into the metaverse. How African tech stepped from the club to the clinic and into cyberspace.
It's more about a culture shift, right? So how do we, as leaders, make sure that we bring about a culture where people are not afraid of this AI adoption?
Biology is technology.
Agentic is mimicking human behavior and the physical world.
It's not the technology that's creating the crisis, it's the leadership.
And these exact same leaders are trying to make decisions about what's coming next, and it's almost impossible. The awareness is stuck in old ways of thinking.
Our job now is educating leaders to make the right choices.
Spend a lot of time understanding where your inefficiencies lie within your functions.
Only attribute that can really make sense and help us out is curiosity. We have to be willing to test and try new things. We have to be willing to fail and to fail safely.
And I hope that the compassion and love that we can share for each other, knowing that we're the same thing, lasts for many, many years to you.
Sending not just your tech execs or your marketing execs, but essentially having any decision maker attend an event like this is worthwhile.
We're igniting Africa's future.
We're igniting Africa's future.
See you guys next year. We can't wait. 2026 is around the corner. Let's go.